Today I'm making chocolate raspberry crumb bars. First, in a large bowl, I have a stick and a half of softened butter. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix this up until it's light and fluffy. Next, I'm just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to add a cup and a half of flour. Next, I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Next, I have a greased and lined 8x8 pan. I'm going to add half of the chocolate dough into the pan and press it in. Then I'm going to add half a cup of raspberry jam and spread that out. Next, I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the chocolate dough on top and then bake this at 350 for 35 minutes. Once the crumb bars come out of the oven and cooled completely, I took it out of the pan and put them onto a cutting board, and then I'm going to add some powdered sugar and drizzle some chocolate. Lastly, I cut the chocolate raspberry crumb bars into pieces, and here's an up close look.